Your graphing calculator can be used to help you factor and also help you simplify radicals. So if you go into the calculate part of the Scratchpad, from your menu, you want to choose 2 for number and 3 for factor. If you have a number underneath your radical that you're trying to simplify, or if you have a very large number in a trinomial that you're trying to think of all the factors for, this is going to give you the prime factorization. So say we have the square root of 180, and we don't want to sit there and divide by our perfect squares, or we can't think of the largest perfect square. When you put that in, it's going to break it down into its prime factorization. And I like how it actually shows you 2 squared and 3 squared. If we were simplifying that radical, that means the square root of 2 squared is 2, and the square root of 3 squared is 3. So both a 2 and a 3 are going to come out from underneath your radical. So we can see how this all relates back together. If we take the square root of 180, the decimal approximation is 13.4164. So if we know a 2 and a 3 are going to come out from under our square root, we'd have 2 times 3 times the square root of 5 is left over because it doesn't have a partner. This is the same as saying 6 root 5. What that means, our largest perfect square factor for 180 was 36, but if we didn't know that, we can use this prime factorization and see that it has a factor of 2 squared, or a factor of 4, and a factor of 3 squared, or a factor of 9. So we can use this to help us simplify our radicals.